Everyone wants to be irreplaceable, but most people go about it the wrong way. They work longer hours, take on more tasks, say yes to everything, and eventually they burn out. Here's the truth. If your value depends on overworking, you're not irreplaceable. You're replaceable and exhausted. So what actually works? Let's break it down. If you're building a remote career or trying to grow in your role, this is something you need to understand early. Because the goal is not to be the busiest person on your team. The goal is to be the most reliable, strategic, and valuable person without sacrificing your energy. In this video, I'll show you how to become irreplaceable in a way that actually lasts. Section 1. Redefining irreplaceable. Let's start here. Being irreplaceable does not mean being available all the time doing everything yourself carrying the team. That version of irreplaceable is fragile because it depends entirely on your effort. The moment you slow down, everything breaks. Real irreplaceability is different. It means your work creates consistent impact, you solve problems others struggle with, you improve how things run, you deliver without needing supervision. It's not about being needed for everything. It's about being trusted for the right things. Section 2. High leverage work. Not all work creates value. Some tasks just keep things moving. Others actually move things forward. Irreplaceable professionals focus on high leverage work. That includes fixing inefficient processes, automating repetitive tasks, solving recurring problems, improving systems. Let's make it simple. Answering emails equals staying busy. Reducing unnecessary emails equals creating value. The shift is powerful. Stop asking, "What should I do next?" Start asking, "What will make this easier long term?" That's where your value multiplies. Section 3. Build systems, not dependency. Here's something that sounds counterintuitive. If everything depends on you, you are not scalable. And if you're not scalable, your value is limited. Irreplaceable professionals don't try to be the only one who knows how things work. They build systems. Documented processes, clear workflows, repeatable methods. Anyone can follow a system, but not everyone can create one. And that's what makes you valuable. Section 4. Specialize your value. If you try to be everything, you become forgettable. Irreplaceable professionals are known for something specific. Not everything. Ask yourself, what problem do people trust me to solve? Then lean into it. Examples. The person who simplifies complexity, the one who fixes broken workflows, the one who communicates clearly. When your value is clear, you become easier to trust and harder to replace. Section 5. Consistency over intensity. Burnout doesn't come from working hard. It comes from working unsustainably. Short bursts of effort, followed by exhaustion. Irreplaceable professionals don't rely on intensity. They rely on consistency. They deliver on time, maintain quality, avoid unnecessary urgency. Because here's the truth. Consistency builds trust faster than occasional brilliance. And trust is what makes you valuable long-term. Section 6. Strategic no. If you say yes to everything, you destroy your own value. Because your focus disappears, your quality drops, your energy drains. Irreplaceable professionals protect their capacity. They don't reject work randomly. They prioritize. Instead of, "Yes, I'll do it," they say, "I can take this on after X," or "We can adjust priorities." This shows professional judgment, awareness, control, and it protects your performance. Section 7. Communicate your impact. In remote work, people don't see your effort. They see your results. And more importantly, how you communicate them. Weak communication. "I've been busy all day." Strong communication. "I completed X, which improved Y." Irreplaceable professionals make their value visible. They share outcomes, highlight progress, connect work to results. This is not about self-promotion. It's about clarity. If your impact is invisible, so are you. Section 8. Protect your energy. Your energy is your most important resource. Without it, everything else collapses. Irreplaceable professionals understand this. They avoid constant context switching, structure their workday, set boundaries, take breaks before burnout. Because burnout doesn't just reduce output. It destroys consistency. And without consistency, you lose trust. Section 9. Problem-solving mindset. Anyone can react to problems. Irreplaceable professionals prevent them. They notice patterns, identify inefficiencies, fix issues early. This shifts your role from someone who executes to someone who improves. And that's where real career growth happens. Section 10. Continuous growth. What makes you valuable today won't be enough forever. Remote work is competitive. Skills evolve. Tools change. Irreplaceable professionals stay ahead by learning, continuously adapting, quickly improving how they think. They don't wait to become outdated. They evolve early. Outro. Becoming irreplaceable is not about doing more. It's about doing what matters consistently, without burning out. When you focus on high-impact work, build systems, communicate, clearly protect your energy, you create value that lasts. And that's what makes you truly hard to replace. If you want the full breakdown, check the blog linked in the description. And if you're serious about building a strong remote career, subscribe, because this is what we focus on here.